My name is Julius Voji Oliver Togbo, an ordained drummer, dancer, singer, composer, and teacher, born and raised in the village of Jogaje, Ghana. Growing up, I was mentored in music and dance by my grandfather, a high priest in the Nana Tongo Shrine and a great musician until he passed. It is my desire to keep our musical culture alive by establishing a music school in my community. I have been accepted to the 2020 Master's Program in Dance Ethnology at the University of Ghana, Legon, to pursue these goals. But I need your financial support to make this dream come true. With your support, I will be able to conduct a research on how to keep our musical and spiritual traditions alive in a rapidly changing world. If our music dies, our culture dies too, because our activities rely so much on our music and dance. Music and dance is the heart of our culture, and it brings unity among us. So I'm appealing to everybody, including music lovers and historians everywhere, to support me financially so I can complete this program and achieve my vision. Please support me, support my community, support our history, our culture, and our language. Thank you.